Welcome to DTI Online Negosyo Program. Today, I am excited to walk you through how FedEx can power your e-commerce business para mapabilis at mas pinasimple ang iyong business to meet the growing demands of your customers. Alam natin na booming talaga ang mundo ng e-commerce ngayon at naniniwala kami na ready ka na mag-expand globally. You may have the impression na challenging ang mag-ship internationally. Isipin mo na lang, kailangan mo i-manage ang shipping costs, siguraduhin mabilis ang delivery times, mag-track ng orders, at mag-provide ng seamless customer support. Lahat ng ito ay mga factors na iniisip ng bawat MSME na gustong mag-scale up, lalo na sa competitive na market ngayon. Sa FedEx, naiintindihan namin na may mga hesitations on going global. That's why we have solutions that address your shipping needs, para makapag-focus ka sa pagpapalago ng business mo habang kami na ang bahala sa mga complexities ng shipping. Kung ikaw man ay small business o isang established na brand, may mga tools kami na para sa'yo. Let's find out together kung ano ang mga FedEx e-commerce solutions at kung bakit ito ang go-to options para sa mga online businesses. Madali lang ang integration. FedEx Ship Manager can seamlessly connect sa mga e-commerce platforms tulad ng Shopify, WooCommerce at Magento, kaya mabilis mo nang masisync ang store mo with FedEx. Mayroon din FedEx-compatible solution providers for e-commerce na pwedeng pagbilian para sa iyong specific business needs. At kung may complex integration requirements ka, API is available for your developers. Manage your e-commerce shipments in FedEx Ship Manager, so no need to manually update details. Create shipments and print labels for multiple orders in one click. Generate commercial invoices, schedule a pickup. Sa FedEx.com, pinadali at pinabilis namin ang e-commerce shipping mo. Sa ilang clicks lang, magagawa mo na ang mga sumusunod. Gumawa ng shipping labels, create shipments, print individual or multiple labels, and manage ang e-commerce shipments gamit ang FedEx Ship Manager. Mabilis at accurate ang pag-generate ng shipping labels, kaya mas streamline ang order processing. Nakasync na din dito ang e-commerce platform mo with the tracking number and details. Mag-upload ng customs documentation. Create commercial invoices sa FedEx Ship Manager at isubmit ang trade documents electronically para mas smooth ang customs clearance gamit ang FedEx Electronic Trade Document. Mag-schedule ng pickup. Book a convenient pickup mula sa iyong location para makatipid sa oras at maayos na operation. Mag-track ng shipments. Manatiling updated gamit ng real-time tracking para ikaw at ang customers mo ay panatag mula pick-up hanggang delivery. Sigurado ang FedEx na safe at on-time ang pagdating ng packages mo. We're proud to be the trusted shipping partner for thousands of businesses worldwide. When you have the option to ship internationally, just activate it in your e-commerce store at mag-connect sa e-commerce at FedEx Ship Manager. Makikita ng customers mo upon checkout na available na ang shipping and delivery outside Philippines. When their order is complete, nakasync na rin ang shipment details ng bawat order sa FedEx Ship Manager. In just few clicks, makakagawa ka na ng labels, mag-book ng pickup, at mag-track ng delivery. FedEx is more than just a shipping provider. Tinutulungan ka namin i-optimize ang logistics, pasayahin ang customers mo, at i-scale up ang business mo. Ready ka na bang i-level up ang e-commerce store mo? Visit us at fedex.com at alamin kung paano makakatulong ang aming solutions to grow your business. Open a FedEx account today by scanning the QR code and enjoy 40% discount on your shipping. Take advantage of this exclusive offer and streamline your deliveries, making it easier to meet your customers' needs. Thank you for listening. This is Maren Makisig, Customer Solutions Specialist at FedEx. Remember, with FedEx, international shipping is #PinaSimple.